In this video, you'll learn how to change the URL in WordPress for your posts. This process will help improve your site's SEO and make your URLs more. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Posts section on the left-hand menu. Click on Posts to view a list of all your published and draft posts. Next, find the post you wish to edit. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find the post, hover over its title and you will see a few options appear beneath it. Select Edit from the options displayed. This action will take you to the post editor screen. On the right panel of the editor, you will see various settings related to your post. Look for the section labeled Permalink or URL. This is where your current URL slug is displayed. To change the URL, click the edit button located next to the URL. After clicking edit, a text field will appear, allowing you to type new URL slug. Ensure that the new slug is relevant to the content of your post and is easy to read. Avoid using special characters and spaces as they can complicate the URL. Once you have entered your new URL slug, confirm the change by clicking the Update button located in the top right corner of the editor. This step is crucial as it saves your changes and updates the URL of your post. After clicking Update, you should see a notification indicating that your post has been updated successfully. It is important to check the new URL to ensure it directs to the correct post. Remember that changing a URL can affect any existing links to that post, so consider setting up redirects if necessary to maintain traffic. Additionally, verify your site's overall URL structure to ensure consistency. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.